looks better in person than it does on Instagram, for sure, which is rare. It's hot shit out here. We got Old Raggedy. We got Big Lip Betty over here. We got Cocaine, Clean White 6 over here. And we got Mr. Big Money with the big, ooh, what is that? I don't know, what is that? Black chrome black? I don't know what that is, but it's fancy. When you got money, you can do stuff like that. Woo. Well, we about to head down, hopefully get some food, and then roll up the clean culture. Cause I'm hot, I'm tired, I'm sweaty, and I'm black. Straight up. But we out here in my favorite spot. Hopefully it will become Orlando's and Chauncey's favorite spot in Charlotte as well. Go get some good food. But yeah, Razzoos. If you see it, you see it. If you don't, you don't. If you ain't had it, you better get it, because it is delicious.
That's what we need.
Sheesh. Picked up a scraggler. What's going on there with your daddy Rich? Looking all nice and beefy over here. What's going on with you? Got on the mint Crocs, minty.
They dirty.
It don't matter, but they clean. Rolling in, we got Drippy, Clean White. Then we got Io, Ring, Arling, Orlando behind us. About to roll into the infield tunnel, and we're gonna be in there. Welcome to Clean Culture. No, thank you. Just rolled in, got a few minutes. Everybody trying to snap a couple pictures and everything before we start going around looking at the show. So I'm gonna walk around, and anything that catches my eye, or if I see any Instagram bills that I've been meaning to look at, I'll let y'all know. I don't know what color this is on this Civic, on this Type R, but this color is nice as hell. This motherfucking CTSV is nice as. This Civic is cleaner than a motherfucker. God. This Civic clean as shit. I don't know about Honda, so y'all gotta tell me. All I know, this motherfucker is clean. I like this MBS Silverado. What I like the most about it are these brushed lips. NSX Extra, I think, yep, that's who it is. This motherfucker sweet here. This motherfucker is sweet. Oh, you got the little Honda joint in there. The little Honda mini bike. With the damn carbon fiber lips. Porsche is clean. And this trunk setup is clean. Camaro with a Vortec supercharger on it. Clean as hell. Nice fitment.
VIP modular.
Right. VIP modules on there. See what this trunk setup look like. Oh yeah, that trunk setup is nice. I dig it. We got Super in the house representing low key. Clean ass setup. Little Tesla plaid type steering wheel in here. I dig it. Clean Super out here. BBS is looking good as Nice classic. Yeah, this C-Class with these molded over fenders is done clean as hell. Not a big fan of these cars, but whoever the hell did this body work did a nice job. Like, it is done well and it got the katanas. All right. Yeah, whoever did the body work on this C-Class is a smooth. Nice clean 33. Looking good as hell. I believe a JDM Honda Odyssey look a whole lot better than the USDM's one, that's for sure. This one is sweet. If it's not an Odyssey, please correct me. What show is complete without a Tesla? Bagged, of course. 2019 Model 3. Looking nice. Fitment looking good. I love me a GS. And this thing is done nice. Solid red interior. Diamond stitched. Red dash steering wheel. This thing looks nice. 98 GS. Of course, Mazda Speed 3. Clean as hell. Paint is clean as shit. Is this a factory paint job? This factory color? Is it? Velocity red. This is just nice. I like this. I might like this more than the Soul Red. Got the gang of Honda Civics over here. My man got that doggone Sudani stretch. Ooh. Y'all can have that life. I don't want them problems. Got a couple of Raleigh Durham area boys, the TL and the Q50, looking all nice. Clean Datsun 280. Interior look nice. Diamond stitch. Paint look good. Might be original paint. I dig it. Got the Z, full carbon fiber. I don't know if it's an overlay or new panels, but this bad boy is full carbon. Full carbon. This Teggy looking real nice. Forged carbon duck bill. Interior looks nice. NRG seats. I like this color. I don't know if it's paint or a wrap. Might be paint. Teggy look nice. Here we have a unreliable Mazda 6. And we have another Sudani stretch. Like I said, y'all can have those problems. I don't want it. Again, I love me a good GS. And we have another one. And man, this thing is clean. Love me a GS. Love me a GS. I'm seeing a lot more of these like plaid style steering wheels. And I like them. But I love me a good clean GS. I love it. Got a nice TLS on air. Looking nice. Junior Type S. I dig it. And then we got a nice Honda Accord. I follow this guy on Instagram. Oh, that trunk setup is clean. I like that. First time I seen it in person. Nice. Interior is sweet. It looks better in person than it does on Instagram, for sure, which is rare. That something looks better in person. I dig it. With the orange hardware and the orange accents, I dig it. I'm not a big TT fan, but I do like this theme wrap that he has on this. I do like that. Not my cup of tea personally, but I like it, and it's clean. Trunk setup. It's nice and clean. I dig it. Like I said, I wouldn't do it, but it looks nice to look at. I will say that one day I will own me a Cedric or a Gloria. And I will probably just get a stock one and just leave it stock. But I love how these cars look. And about 12 grand will get you a stock one. And I think that's a pretty good damn deal. Got a Nardo Gray Slam Miata. I hope it's on bags and not static. But it very well could be static. But I hope it's on bags. I do like it. Should have bought one years ago. Now the prices is just damn stupid. This is my first time seeing like a Mini in real life. And I've never realized like how small these really are. Like this thing is itty bitty. But it's probably fun as hell to drive because it's so small and so light. But it is small as hell. It's cool though. Especially with them fender flares. But look how small it is. I mean, gracious. And we got a 67 and 72 Chevy truck. LS swap, of course, on bags. Little tweed seat interior. This thing is sweet here. Just natural patina body with an updated drivetrain. Old timer. I like this. Love a good 70s fleet side. Can't go wrong with it. Did not realize had a damn turbo on it. Makes it even sweeter. Camo City wraps in the house. Looking clean as always. These anodized blue lips on this G. Not my flavor, but it looks cool. It's a nice little pop. Then it flows into the interior with the shift knob. Nice little pop of color. What is a car show without a couple of Lamborghinis? And we got some kidney grill BMWs. We got a stock Miata, probably worth $12,000. A Subaru. We got an S something or another. I don't know the chassis. We got a SEMA that's clean as shit. It is clean. Like I said, 12, 15 grand gets you a stock one. VIP tables, clean interior. I dig it. This Accord is clean. Fitment is good. Nice and clean. I'm lowered. I dig it. We got a TL. Clean ass trunk setup. Carbon fiber trunk lid. Carbon fiber lips. All red diamond stitch interior with the Acura neck pillows. Carbon fiber interior accents. I like it. Carbon fiber front fenders. Engine overlays. I dig it. Well, I'm trying to get some drift footage, but it started raining and the raining ain't stopping. So I think we're gonna get some pictures of the 4.6s that are left, you know, Kobe Bryant, RIP. So we're gonna get a couple pictures and that might be it because the rain is steadily raining and I don't think they're gonna start drifting again. So lineup ain't looking too bad. Arlene, IO M6, me, and Juicy. Well, it's actively raining now. So myself, Ringling, Io, and Orlando, we heading out. We'll catch y'all on the flip side. Like I said, I wanted to catch some drift action, but I waited too long. Couldn't make it over there. So met some cool people. Met some people. Follow on IG. I talked to them on IG. Finally got to meet them in person. Cool people, all cool people. So we heading out. Hope y'all enjoyed the little footage and you know my little pics of the car that I like. Oh shit, OKQ. So OKQ did show up right there with the chrome orange M6 convertible. He showed up, so that's cool. But yeah, heading out. Y'all take care. Till next time. Peace. Stop, get a little gassy gas at $4 a gallon. Hear everybody leaving the show. Me and Ayo gonna head back home. That didn't sound good. No, Mr. Big Money over here. Mr. Sleepy Money. Big money, sleepy money. You make money while you sleep. Head on back, head on back. Hopefully the ride back will be uneventful. We'll let you know if it ain't. Made it home. I think everybody from the crew made it to their destination. Hope y'all enjoyed my little video. I really suck at like making these car show videos. I'm working to get better at it. So until next time, I appreciate y'all. Peace.